What's up guys? In this episode, I'm compiling all of the other videos about Google Maps optimization that I've done on YouTube into one video to try to give you guys as much value as possible about how to improve that red location pin on Google Maps and get more traffic to your businesses. Let's go right now straight into it and make sure you comment other topics you want me to talk about on YouTube by the end of this episode. Let's go. Nobody talks about it, but Google Maps is one of the easiest ways for you to appear on searches. So it's a combination. It's a combination of making sure your website gains an authority. Google is taking their algorithm towards more context. It's not just the Google reviews that affect your Google Maps ranking. Then your Google My Business profile has to be fully filled out. Get analytics set up from day one. And there's a huge correlation between businesses that have a physical location and a Google Maps location or Bing's location built and ones that don't. Everything in your Google Maps profile or Google My Business profile has to match your website. That means that you have to have better information on your site. You need to give people context and keep them on your page longer. You need to find a way to be in the Google Maps, Google Golden 3 we call it, as well as in organic rankings eventually. We saw recently that Google was starting to take information from other review sites depending on the niche that you're in. Use everything in Google My Business.